Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Shrish here from Trading Explained, and in today's video I'm going to share a story with you. A story of greed, fear, anxiety, madness and utter stupidity. A story when I lost my 1 month's entire salary on one particular trade, and I'm also going to share those trading lessons and trading mistakes with you that I did, so you do not repeat those mistakes and lose a lot less on your trading journey. So without any further ado, let's begin. So this story dates back to 2017, that is 4 years in the past. I was 21-year-old guy and I was complete newbie to corporate world. I was working for this diagnostic company and they were paying me 15,000 rupees for 1 month. I guess that was okay for that time because I had no experience of work whatsoever. But since last 2 quarters of 2016, I was into stock markets. I was learning about markets, I was learning technical analysis and doing all sorts of mistakes that usually an amateur does. I had a friend of mine who was a professional trader and was pretty consistent at that time. So he used to teach me about technical analysis, how stuff works around in market, etc. So I was very happy to be with him and I used to copy him because he was a professional trader. He used to trade and make money. So I was like, क्यों नहीं इसको ये जो कर रहा है ये करो and just make free money. So I was doing that. He had no problems. He was like, okay dude, but सीख लो इसमें से. That is more important rather than just copying. So what I used to do was I used to copy him, similar trades, just less quantities. Then this one fine day, he got into OTM, he bought this call, OTM call of Ashok Leyland, and he informed me about this. So at this particular point, I was just gambling. As I said previously, I had no idea of futures, options, ITM, OTM, all those things. So he was pretty, optimistic on the Ashok Leyland thing, on that particular expiry. That was a monthly expiry coming nearby, and he was optimistic on Ashok Leyland. So he got into OTM calls of Ashok Leyland, and I was thinking कि क्यों नहीं, just he is buying, we are making money, we can just copy this one as well and just make money. But the thing was, the lot size of options of Ashok Leyland was 4,000 quantities. I was used to not more than 50 quantities. I was like, dude, 4,000 is multiple X of what I can afford. But I thought, chalo, let's try, why not? So I got into this OTM call of Ashok Leyland. Now mind you, this is monthly expiry coming nearby. This is an OTM call, which means OTM call is going to lose premium as soon as possible, as fast as possible. Even if Tata Steel does not go down, even if it goes sideways for a moment, this OTM call is going to lose its value. I had no idea. I just got in, and I guess it was trading somewhere around 2 or 2.5 rupees something. So I bought one lot, and until I bought that call, it was going up. The Ashok Leyland, the stock was going up. But as soon as I bought that call, OTM call, Ashok market stopped. Ashok Leyland stopped, and then slowly it started to decline. Now this is where my friend told me that he is taking an exit because his technical analysis thing is not clearly working as he thought it would, and is taking an exit at a minimal loss. So अगर तूने भी लिया है, just get out of that trade because it might not work out. I was like, dude, अभी तो लिया है. It is not even 10 minutes and you are getting out. अरे थोड़ा time दो market को. Just have some patience. I was telling this to a professional guy to have some patience. So you can imagine the kind of greed and fear that was playing in my mind. So that particular OTM call started coming down. 2.5 से कुछ था, so it started coming down to 2, 1, 1.9, 1.8. Now here I was ready with my mastermind plan. Dude, 2.5 पे लिया. It is coming down now to 2. What if we average down? What if we buy at 1.7, 1.5, everything, or something of that sort? So we would have an average of 2 or something. And if this call goes from 2 to 10, we make 1 lakh, 2 lakh and whatever. कुछ भी दिमाग में आ रहा था. Just no logic, no sense, no analysis, nothing. Just fear, dreams and greed. So as soon as it started to come down, I was ready to buy another lot. It came down, I punched one more lot. Now this is what happens when you punch more than you can afford to. Whenever, you must have also noticed this, I guess, but whenever you punch a trade that is out of your aukat, like you cannot afford that trade and still you are punching, market will always punish you. So that is what happened. I had 8,000 quantities of Ashok Leyland, not knowing what to do with them, not knowing what Ashok Leyland is going to do in future, or I had no idea whatsoever. I was stuck in there. And the loss started to just go out of my hand. It started from minus 1000, minus 1500, and as soon as the Ashok Leyland started to drop more, the call that loss widened a lot, minus 4,500, minus 6,000, and at this point I was numb. I had no emotions. I was completely blank and had no idea whatsoever what to do. Now I did not tell this to my friend because he would chillata mere pe, he would scold me for what I am doing. I knew that because average kiya tha, I had averaged down on that particular call. He had told me that never to average, and I was doing exactly opposite of it, so I was scared that he would scold me. So I did not tell him, so I had no help at that point as well. So I was all on my own, facing this much huge loss which I had never faced earlier. I was minus 8,000, 7,000, and I had just completely out of emotions. I had no emotions, completely blank, not knowing what to do. I was just blank, not knowing what to work at. Kaam pe I was doing my job, and people were like, dude, what are you doing? Where is your, dhyan kahan pe tumhara? I had no idea. And then the loss started to widen more, minus 10,000, minus 12,000, and I was just like looking at that screen like this. What is happening? Is this even real? That was the first and probably the last biggest shock that I received from markets, because after that loss, I learned a lot more about markets than I usually would have learned in short amount of time. Because losses teach you, if you learn from those mistakes, they teach you a lot. Losses and mistakes, actually failures actually teach you more than what success does. So that's what happened with me. I learned a lot from that loss, but it was a very devastating moment for me, because I was earning 15,000 for 1 month, and here I was at losses of 12,000 and 13,000 in few minutes of punching a trade. So finally I had to cover that call at minus 14,650 something, and that I just could not understand what to do. I just could not understand what should be done, or I blew up my account. I had 20,000 rupees or something in that particular account that time, so I blew up that account as well. And घर पे क्या बोलेंगे? So people are like, dude, चल हो गया, leave it. I was like, घर पे क्या बोलूँगा? How am I going to confess that I took a hit of 15,000 from market in one day? I was making 15,000 in 1 month, and how was I going to face my parents saying ki I lost 15,000 rupees in one day? So all sorts of tension was there, fear was there, anxiety was there, and I was like, what did I do? But it calmed out eventually. Everything happens for good, we say. So I learned a lot from that loss. So what were the mistakes? I'm going to share those mistakes, those big mistakes and terrible mistakes that I did, so you do not repeat those. The first and foremost was punching 4,000 quantity, which I cannot even afford to, lose on that particular. When we punch something that big, which we cannot even afford to lose, we are just blindly gambling in market. So do not punch those many quantities. Number one lesson is just do not punch those many quantities which you cannot afford to lose. Number two, I was taking a help from my friend. Alright, that was okay because he was guiding me. But the mistake I did was not telling him what I was doing. So until and unless he was there to help me out, I was fine. But as soon as I stopped telling him that what I was doing, I was averaging on that call, not exiting from loss. That was another biggest mistake. So if you are learning from someone, that's fine enough. But the second mistake I did was not telling my friend that I have not been exiting on this call and I have been averaging down on that position. So that was second mistake. What was the third mistake? Third and probably the biggest mistake was to average down on that position. Now what happens is we think all these things that if it's at 2, it comes back to 1, I average, we get average of 1.5, we have a better chance of making money. But the thing is, if the market is not going in your favor, it is going against you, it is literally signaling you that you are wrong. Why would you want to average something when you are wrong? You want to average something when you are right, no? If it's going in your favor and then you start to average, that's completely different story. But when it's going against you, it is showing you a loss, red dikha raha hai, lal dikha raha hai, and then you start to average on that position. That is complete stupidity. Never ever do that. Like, it is just madness. Market is telling you are wrong, and then you are averaging on that position, you are going to lose heavily. So that was the third mistake. And fourth mistake, I guess, was emotions. I was blindly playing on my emotions, not completely accepting the fact that I can lose on this particular trade. When I punched the trade, I was like, this is going to hit multiple X of what I am buying right now. So the acceptance and probability mindset was not there. So that is very important. You should not play with your emotions. And fifth is that you should always accept and you should always be probable in your mindset that yes, you can lose on this particular trade the moment you hit that position. So I always keep saying that in my videos as well, that just have that probabilistic mindset when you are trading. Just accept the fact that you can lose on this particular position the moment you open that position. So these were those top 5 mistakes that I did, which helped me blew my entire 1 month salary on one particular trade. So I hope you learned something out of this video, and I hope you learned these mistakes of mine, and I hope you do not repeat those mistakes, because learning is fine, but execution is another thing. We all know, we all accept the fact that learning is okay, it's easy, but when you learn something, application of that learning is probably the single biggest thing in whatever category you are doing in life. No matter what the field is, learning is fine, learning is easy, but application of that learning is what usually matters the most. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, because I keep coming back with such more content for you guys. And until then, I'll see you around. Take care. Bye bye. Peace out. So I entered into this trade, and that was an OTM call of Ashok Leyland. So I was expecting Ashok Leyland to go up. But now what happens is, usually when you bet big on market, it is